Hey guys, this is Treasure Takara, and I just wanted to get on here to just talk to y'all for a minute. Okay, so I noticed that there are people that may be in the Walmart Creator Program and have not taken the step to move forward. And my thing is that I want to say to you is, what are you waiting for? Okay, like, do not be like me and wait on a whole 6 months to go by and you're wondering like, what if I would have posted that video? Like, would it have went viral, or would I have made a sale or whatever? Don't worry about it. See, here's the thing. When you guys are promoting these products, whether or not someone likes it, it's on them. But the fact is, the fact that you're pointing it out and making it obvious for them to know that it's available, that's when they're going to say, hey, you know what? She has something that I may want. Let me see if I'll click it. Or if they don't want that, let me take a look into her or his Walmart storefront and see if maybe that may be something I might want. You guys keep in mind too, and I posted this on my other video as well. Let me put the pillow down. This is so cute. This actually is a pillow that one of my sons got me. It says, moms make everything beautiful. I really love this pillow here. I'll put this down. But yeah, but pretty much when you guys are doing your affiliate links and you have somebody who do click on that link, even if they do not buy that particular product, it's okay, because here's the thing. With the Walmart Creator Program, not only is it one better than the Amazon affiliate, but it allows you to have a 14-day cookie. So that's pretty much is like, and I explained this in one of my comments actually before this video. So pretty much within that 14-day duration of time, whoever buys anything on that Walmart, off that Walmart link, and goes on the Walmart site and say, for example, they buy a TV, or maybe they buy some household cleaning supplies and stuff like that, guess what? As long as they're not part of a special program where it's like a reward program, more than likely a lot of people who buy off of the Walmart website, they're not really a part of any specific special reward programs. But if you guys were to get involved in, some of my mentorship Zoom meetings, if you're one of the first 5 people who were able to take advantage of that time of, getting the free Walmart creator guide, you will be meeting with me shortly. But my thing is, once the person has already click on a link and then they surf the Walmart website to get a TV or whatnot, they're able to purchase cleaning supplies, they're able to purchase clothing, they're able to purchase maybe some Apple AirPods or something, or maybe a phone. You don't know what these people could be possibly purchasing within that 14-day period of time. And during the 14 days, anything can happen. So I know that with the Walmart Creator Program, with the actual storefront, it may take some time for you to actually see what's happening in real time. And I think that's one of the things that Walmart really do need to try to work on, to make sure we can get a real-time statistic. And I'll go over that too if you are able to view one of my future videos, or if you're able to join in one of my one-on-one sessions. But yeah, so pretty much the people buy either the link that you have, or they'll buy from another link that's within the Walmart store platform, and then you'll still get money. You still get commission off of that, whether it's $1 or $2. Shoot, I don't care. But you guys got to think about this, okay? So if there is a person who buys a $5 item, guess what? You know that right now, Christmas just went by, and maybe some people weren't able to afford the Christmas gifts right before Christmas. There's still parents that I know right now, or aunts and uncles, that are buying their kids Christmas gifts right now because all of the clearance items are being discounted by a major price, okay? And even in the future videos, you'll see, and even in one of my past videos, you'll see how significant the markdown is with these products. So I'm like, just don't count the people out. Just because Christmas is over doesn't mean that you won't be able to be successful with this, okay? All right, so yeah, one other thing too about the Walmart Creator Program, honestly, I feel like people who get into it right now, you guys have such a better advantage compared to what I did. When I was initially introduced to the Walmart Creator Program, it wasn't even fully rolled out yet. I was in the beta program, So you know, just the fact that I have people who literally just signed up and then within a week or within a month, they're in it. I'm like, man, you know, I wish that was me, but then again, I'm glad I am here now. Everything happened for a reason, and honestly, one of the things I wish I would have did, I would have took advantage of this a little bit more earlier, as far as like taking it more seriously, because I did not realize how passive this really was. Because I have videos that I've created maybe a month or two ago that I'm still getting commission off of, and I'm not talking about, you know, a YouTube check or anything like that. I'm literally talking about the Walmart creator affiliate links and stuff. So I think that's just really cool, honestly. And, you know, we're in 2025, and I understand that, you know, people, they're just still recovering from Christmas, and they are, you know, about to file their taxes and stuff like that. And, you know, I cannot tell you guys how many times have I had a tax return that was processed. I get the money. I'm like, yo, I don't even know what to do with it. I do know what to do with it. Obviously, I get the stuff that I need for my kids. But you know what? When it's sitting in the bank and your money's not working for you, you know, your money tends to dwindle a lot, okay? And so, honestly, what I want to give you guys is an opportunity to, you know, work with me, you know, for people who may be in the Walmart Creator Program, you're not too sure, like, really what to do. Like, you see the videos, but you need somebody to really handhold your way to at least getting that first couple sales or the first 5 sales. I'm your girl, okay? So I am going to still leave the link to my free Walmart creator guide, because I do think that even for my seasoned Walmart creators, I think this guide will still be helpful. Not only that, you know, there's so much more that comes with this, you know? So for the people who already have Zoom sessions with me, thank you guys for being part of such a great thing that Walmart is doing. And honestly, for my parents or for my people out there who is struggling to make ends meet, do not let this opportunity pass you by, okay? There are so many people here to help you, me being that other person as well. We gotta win together. There's so many supplies, there's so many products that we can share in this creator space. Don't get restricted to only doing Amazon or to only doing Target. There's so many people that are missing out on the bag with Walmart. And, you know, I'm just glad that Walmart is giving this opportunity where, you know, you don't even have to have a minimum follower count. And you know, one thing too, y'all, I don't think this is being talked about enough. We don't know if TikTok is going to be banned, okay? Like, people who have like literally 200,000 subscribers, I know they're freaking out right now. They got to, you know? And, you know, if TikTok is being banned, one thing that I can honestly tell you is that you can always come over to YouTube. Okay, you always come over to YouTube. You can still, honestly, it's really easier to post your link within the YouTube, within your bio, and even within the description of your videos compared to TikTok. But you guys, once TikTok is gone, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You do go over Facebook, yes, but how long have Facebook been around? Just saying. YouTube has longevity, okay? People are still getting commissions. You know, I'm talking about Walmart creators, and I'll probably post a few of them. I might even interview them at some point down the line. There's people who are still getting affiliate commissions from the Walmart Creator Program from last year based off of a popular video. You gotta understand, you guys, seasons like Valentine's Day, Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, there's so many holidays that are coming up that you guys can be taking advantage of. So if you haven't already, please make sure you get the free guide. This your girl Treasure Takara. Thanks for tuning in to this video. And good luck to you guys for Walmart Creator Program.